Welcome back to the channel. In this video, what I have for y'all today is, check this out. I have the Blue Dot Kona Kayak Cart. I have the Crescent Shoaly SF, which is fully loaded here, which comes in around about 100 pounds of total weight when it's fully loaded. And the cart that I have been using has been the Suspends all-terrain, which has been an absolute beast of a cart for getting in and out of these woodland type environments and really getting to these kind of mountaintop lakes that I really like to fish. So just to kind of give you guys a backstory, one of the drawbacks to this Suspends cart is its size. Even when it's broken down, you cannot fit it in a hatch. You can fit it in a tank well, but if you're like me and you're running a black pack in your tank well, it pretty much is useless. So what I've been doing is just locking it to a tree as I'm out on the lake. See the difference in the size of the wheels, which isn't drastically big. It's just they're thinner and they seem to go up over things a little better. This one they're wider and flatter. Both of them are run flat wheels. They're solid foam. They're not they don't have air in them, so you ain't got to worry about that. So that's pretty cool that both of them is. This is a very tough frame, but one thing I noticed after I've been using it for about 6-7 months now, it's already starting to rust pretty bad. I don't see this one rusting. It has anodized aluminum, where this is, I think this is steel, but it is durable and it has a kickstand. You don't need a kickstand with that Blue Dot Outfitters cart. I'm just now getting around to doing a review on it because I wanted to kind of put it through its paces a little more. But yeah, look at it, it's held up great. To adjust it, super simple to adjust. These two bolts here, I run it right here on the Shoaly, that mark right there, that mark right there. Easily, these bolts right here, slide it in and out, fits right down in the grooves. So I'm pretty much retiring that. I'm not using the Suspends cart anymore after I got this thing because I like it that much. So yeah, let's put the Suspends up and let's go ahead and get down to the lake. I'm gonna set the boat on the cart and I'm gonna roll it down the trail here, and I'm gonna get to that little gazebo looking thing down there and slide in right there. Okay, so there's a couple of ways that you could do this. You can lift the front up and set it on, but this is one of the easiest ways that I found to do it. I grab it by the back grab handle right here and just set it right onto the cart. I put the cart right about where I want it, which is kind of level with the seat. You don't want it too far forward, you don't want it too far back. I want to get it right in between the black pack and the seat, so right in there. And I've already got it, I've got the bunker bars exactly where I want them, so watch how easy I can pick this up and just set it on the cart. Let me set the camera down and let's do it. You see how easy that was? But I had to use both hands. It just slid right into place. I don't know if you can see how beautiful that rides up under there, and it would work with any type of boat with a pontoon style hull where you could easily just slide it up on there. And you see the location that I've got it in. I've got it right, kind of not completely center, but back there. So just to know, I started to come down that hill right there, and I noticed when you're changing elevations like up and down, you want to have this strap on there. So I highly recommend the strap unless you're on exact flat land. It worked perfect when I was in the parking lot just going. When you're going down a hill, the cart will go back or slide forward. So do add that strap, and look how I ran it right through the grab handles there. And all I did was basically run it like that. This strap is included. You have two, so you can go one in the front, one in the back. What I'm going to do is show you guys, I'm going to go across and put in at the other boat dock over there instead of sliding in right here, just to show you how well it holds once the strap is on there. Look how easy this thing is to maneuver around. It doesn't move at all. You see that? And I've got maybe 100 pounds of weight in this kayak. We got a walnut landmine. Okay, now that I'm down here at the boat dock, this is the most impressive thing about this thing. I want to show you guys something. Watch this. I'm going to do this one hand, so I'm holding the camera here. Bunker bars that are easy to take off. Take these wheels off. So once you loosen these up, so I'm gonna take these, one there, get the strap, get in there. The biggest thing is make sure you keep up with your pins. So I just leave that one in there. There is a bag right there if I want to put all the stuff in the bag. There you go. That's one of the best features of this cart, is the fact that I can do that right there. I can break it down. I'm ready to go. So I was parked up there in the parking lot. I actually went all the way down, went down there, and then walked back. And it worked beautifully. So yeah, that's it, everybody. That's the Kona, the Blue Dot Outfitters Kona Kayak Cart. I'll leave in the description below where you can pick one of these up. By far, this has been one of the best carts I've ever used. I still rate it my favorite cart of all time. If you guys use something similar to this, there's a Wildy cart, it's very similar, or if you use a Blue Dot, leave in the comments below what your opinion is on it, because I always like to hear what you guys have to say. That's all I got today. I'm gonna get out here on the lake, maybe catch me some fish. You know, I got enough fishing rods. More fishing rods must mean more chances, right? Let's get to fishing. Woo!